Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your YouTube app. The next thing you need to do is to click on your profile icon. Then go ahead and swipe this way. Then go ahead and click on turn on incognito mode. Click on turn on incognito. You have gone incognito. Next thing you need to do is to click on got it. So you can start to search from incognito mode right here. Click on enter. And you see results based on your search right here in incognito. Now, how do you exit from incognito mode? What you need to do is to come down below right here, click on here. And next thing you want to do is to simply click on turn off incognito. Now you are back to your normal YouTube app. It's that simple. This is how to simply turn on or turn off your incognito mode on YouTube app. For more tutorial tips and tricks about how best to use your YouTube app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.